An encyclopedia is a book or electronic resource that provides summaries of knowledge on a specific subject area or across many subject areas. The Encyclopedia of Social Work is an excellent place to gain a basic understanding of topics related to social work. The Encyclopedia of Social Work is available in hard copy and online at Vogel Library. To access the online version, click on Research Guides, then by subject go to Social Work, Social Work Courses and Research, and since this is an overview source, go to Get Started or Overview. In Online Overview Sources, scroll down to the Encyclopedia of Social Work and click. Scroll down to the search box on the left that searches the actual encyclopedia, and we are going to do a search on foster care. Since this is an overview source, it's quite easy to get what you need at the very front. But should you need to narrow your choices, clicking Add Row will give you an additional space for search terms. And here is the article. Note in the left-hand side the In This Entry, which is a list of topics, much like a table of contents, of what is in this entry. For citing this source, you will need to cite the work and the title of the section of the work, the editors, and the author. The author is listed at the bottom. The pencil icon here at the top does allow you to cite. However, you will need to double check. For instance, this one is wrong because the Encyclopedia of Social Work should be in italics for APA style. You can export the citation to RefWorks from here if you wish. If you have trouble with APA citation style, just keep in mind the four basic parts: who, when, what, and where. If the item you're citing is a complete work, such as a book, what is italicized, where everything else is in standard font. If you are citing something that is a part of a larger work, such as a journal article or encyclopedia entry, where is italicized, as in what journal or in what online encyclopedia. Here are a couple of examples. To cite an online source, such as an online encyclopedia entry, begin with the author's last name, comma, initials separated by a space, additional authors following after each comma with an ampersand or and symbol before the last one, ending all of that with a period, the who. Then the year in parentheses followed by a period, the title of the chapter or entry followed by a period in standard font, and then the editors, as you see, comma, then in italics the title of the encyclopedia and the pages if offered, and where it was retrieved from. For a physical item, such as the physical version of the Encyclopedia of Social Work, follow the same basic structure as you did for the online version. And then at the end, add the city, followed by a colon and the name of the publisher with a period to end the entry.